Good morning. Good morning, Thursday Club. XC9 Superstars Thursday Club. Dumating na yung in-order natin na gagamitin natin. Second hand lang to. Binili ko. Pero okay na to. Ready na kayo, Thursday Club? Pagkatapos ng training, maglasing. Yun. Galing, maganda. Pakak. Thursday Club, XC9 Superstars. Yan, dumating na. So, Rev Gear from India. Okay to, maganda. Magandang brand din. Okay. Yung gagamitin natin. Ready na kayo, Thursday Club? XC9 Superstars. More blessings to all of us.